My name's Noni Hawkins. I'm a proud Yuin woman, but I grew up in Biripai country in Port Macquarie region. So once I completed tracks, I went into a Bachelor of Criminology. I moved up to Armidale and went on campus full time, and I moved into Mary White College. The Oorala Centre was really helpful with me getting used to studies and living in new space and being around new people. I love college. I love college life. Everyone and everything was right next to you. You know, you had students from a range of different degrees and backgrounds that you could get to know, make lifelong friends with them. It was really fun and really supportive, and if anyone is coming to uni, I would highly recommend doing on campus. So I did a Bachelor of Criminology. I did that between 2015 and 2018. I had a passion for criminology. Originally I wanted to be a police officer. From there I was able to explore further what areas I was interested in, and that's how I got into the Bachelor of Laws. I work at the Oorala Centre full-time while studying part-time. I work as a project officer at the Oorala Centre, where we mostly work with data and stats and research and looking into successful rates for our students. I was quite passionate in it because I've had experience with a lot of the things that students go through. So I studied online before. A lot of students do struggle with the online connecting with their lecturers, connecting with the university as a whole. So I really felt that, and I felt that I could support the students through that. As well as being an Aboriginal student studying at uni, I also knew the barriers and the struggles that can have. Being able to make those connections with the students and just let them know that, you know, I've been through what you're going through, and I'm on the other end and I'm here to help. So yeah, just get in touch and see where we can go.